Welcome to Quick Literature Academy. Subscribe and press the bell icon for more literature videos. William Langland, around 1330 to 1387. William Langland is agreed by most scholars to be the sole author of a long religious allegory in alliterative verse known as the Vision of Piers Plowman, or more simply, Piers Plowman, which survives in at least three distinct versions that scholars refer to as the A, B, and C texts. The first, about 2400 lines long, breaks off at a rather inconclusive point in the action. The second is a revision of the first, plus an extension of more than 4000 lines. The third is a revision of the second. About Langland, we know hardly anything except what can be inferred from the poem itself. Langland's theme is nothing less than the history of Christianity as it unfolds both in the world of the Old and New Testaments and in the life and heart of an individual 14th century Christian, two seemingly distinct realms between which the poet's allegory moves with dizzying rapidity. Langland practices an estate satire which surveys and excoriates each worldly occupation and compares to Chaucer's very different example of estate satire in the general prologue to the Canterbury Tales. He reserves his especial anger for those who abuse ecclesiastical authority and for the wealthy, pitiless laity, that is, the non-ecclesiastical figures. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next part.